So this is what you want: more sales and more clients. But the problem is your potential clients are all the way over here. So the big question is this: how can we take your potential clients who haven't heard about you before to actually buy from you? Now, most businesses do this through what's called a sales funnel, and most businesses, including yours, already have a sales funnel in place, whether you realize it or not. But very few businesses actually have a marketing and a sales funnel. So both marketing and sales working together. So let me explain the difference. So here's what most people do. Most people, they find their potential clients. They could do this through networking. They could do this through word of mouth, referrals. It could even be through social media and paid advertising, or even Google. It doesn't really matter at this point. But they go to the potential clients, they speak to them, and then they take them to their website. And then from the people that visit their website, some of them will buy from you. Now, the problem with this is that most of the people that go to your website actually leave your website and they don't actually buy anything. And that's a big problem, especially when you look at the statistics of that number. And it does differ from industry to industry, but roughly around 98% of the people that visit your website are going to leave and not do anything. And the reason for that is that there are a few pieces missing. And what's missing is the marketing side of the sales funnel. So how do you build a marketing and a sales funnel? Well, all you got to do is add a few more steps into the process. So going back to this illustration, you have your potential clients and you want to get them to become paying clients. Instead of taking them straight to your website as the first step, what you do is you focus on actually capturing their contact information. And we call this lead generation. So the first step that you want to do before someone buys from you is you want to capture their information and generate leads. So how do you generate leads in your business? The easiest and the best and most effective way to do that is give your potential clients free educational content. And not just any educational content about random things, but things that they would actually be interested in that's also related to what it is that your business can help them with. And what you do is you give them this free educational content in return for their contact details, which is usually their name and their email. Now, for some of our clients, they ask for a little bit more, like their company and job title and stuff like that. But all you need to get started is just their name and email. And then what you need to do is you need to follow up with those people. So now that you have their contact details, you can actually follow up with them. And to get the best results, all you got to do is ask yourself a few questions. So in order to generate leads effectively, the first question you want to ask is who? So who are the people that you are actually looking to target? And you want to be as specific as you can be. The second question you want to ask yourself is what? So once you know who it is that you're targeting, you need to figure out what are these people actually interested in. And then the final question you need to ask yourself is where. So where are your potential clients actually hanging out? Now, the great thing about social media is chances are very high that your potential clients are on 1, 2, or more of the most popular social media channels out there. Now that you've generated leads, do you think that you can now go straight to a sale and you can now win more clients? Not yet. After generating leads, people still can't buy from you. Why? Because people still don't trust you, at least not yet. So what you need to do is you need to focus on ways of building up that trust. And remember, people only do business with people they know, like, and trust. So what you need to do is add in an extra step before someone actually goes to becoming a paid client. And this extra step, as you can probably guess, is called trust. So once you generate leads, you need to build up trust with those leads so that they trust you enough to actually buy from you. Now, in order to actually generate this trust and build this trust with your leads, again, all you got to do is answer 3 simple questions. So the first question is why? So why would someone want to work with you and what makes you unique? The second thing that you want to answer is how. So once you know what's unique about what it is that you do, how are you actually going to educate your leads and tell them what it is that you actually do? So you can do this in the form of articles. You could do this in the form of videos. You can do this in the form of a podcast. There's so many different ways that you can create content that will allow you to build up trust and explain and educate your leads as to how you can actually help them and how you are different and how you are the best option for them. And finally, the final question is where. So once you're generating leads, where is the best place to get that content in front of them? Now, in my experience, the best place for you to go in order to educate your leads and to build trust with them is social media and email marketing. So if you are on those two channels, social media and email, you're going to be able to get your content in front of those leads and start to build up trust. And then once you build up enough trust, then your leads will actually convert into paying clients. And this is exactly how we can help you. So what we can do is we can help you map out a sales and marketing funnel that's unique for your business. So what we can basically do is we can create one of these funnels for you. And then once you have that sales and marketing funnel, the next step is just getting it done. So there's no point in having a plan if you don't take action and implement it. So after we have your marketing and sales funnel mapped out, we put everything you need to do into a 12-month plan. And then the final way that we can actually help you is we can actually then move into implementation, and we can either help you do it all yourself through training, or we can do it all for you, or we can do a little bit of both. So if you're interested in actually doing that first step and getting that sales and marketing funnel created for your business, all you got to do is go to skylinesocial.com/apply, and then we can schedule in a call and work out how are we going to create your sales and marketing funnel